Alright, you want to see it in action? First thing we got to do is put the medium in here. Spill some of it all over the floor. Then we'll add soap and water. Now we got our soap and water in there, and you only need to add just a little above the medium in water and just a little bit of soap. Let's put the lid on here. The first thing I'm going to be cleaning is this 1971 Ike silver proof dollar. So we're going to pop that in there. Pop. Then we'll close it up tight and throw it on the tumbler. Now this thing is pretty cool. It's got time control and it's got speed. So we'll go ahead and set it on the lowest one and put it on there for say 10 minutes. See how it comes out in a little bit. Alright, so it's been going for maybe 3 minutes, and I'm super curious just to see what it's done, and I also kind of want to work on this ring a little bit more, try and straighten it out. So I'm going to take it out of here and see what it looks like. Wow, like, I don't know if the camera is doing this justice, but it's much shinier than it was when it went in there, and it's cleaned off a bunch of stuff. I'd probably put it back in for like another 6-7 minutes if I was done working on it, but as you can see, it's not perfectly straight, and that's bothering me. So I'm gonna heat it up again and stretch it out and shrink it and try and get this shape better, and then we'll clean it again. So I'll be right back when I'm done with that, and we can clean it off one more time. All right, I got it evened out. I like the shape a little bit better, so let's go ahead and throw it back in the tumbler and get this cleaned up. Boop. Got it all closed up. Pop it on there. Set it for 10 minutes, and I'm gonna do this pulse thing. No, I'm not. I'm just gonna do one. Alright, and we'll see how it does after about 10 minutes. Alright, let's go ahead and try and find our ring. There we go. Very nice. I'm gonna dry that off, and we'll check it out. And there we go. Nice and shiny. Looking very good. Still going to run over it with a polishing cloth and clean it up a little bit more, but I like the tumbler. It's pretty awesome.